Each time I try to cook it like the way I cook in Nigeria with my regular pots, the water is always too much. So I'm going to pour 1.5 of this cup into this instant pot. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. My name is Niella and today's just going to be a vlog really. I'm going to be vlogging a day in my life on Christmas Day. I know a lot of people would have been cooking and may not even have time to do other things. I'm from Nigeria, but I am currently living in Canada. If you have seen my previous vlog, you will know that I recently moved to Canada. So I'm just going to be doing a day in my life on Christmas Day. I don't know whenever this vlog is going to go up, but whenever it does, Merry Christmas to you. Don't say I didn't wish you guys Merry Christmas. So guys, let's get into my day. I'm pretty much not doing anything. The house is already clean. I just want to cook and probably just do some other things. I was supposed to go out today, but I think I'll just stay in the house, cook, eat, drink, and merry. So guys, come into the journey of a day in my life on Christmas Day. So guys, I woke up this morning at about 1 a.m. and I totally forgot that the chicken I was supposed to use to make Christmas meal was in the freezer. So I woke up at 1 a.m. to get them out. This is just the much I could get from it. So in case we no chop two chicken, it's not my fault. So I think some of them are, I just pretty left them here just in case I need to bring out some more, but this is just the much I could get from it. I'm just going to quickly wash it and probably count because I didn't count. So just in case it's not enough, I'll just add 1 or 2 pieces or 3 pieces inside and wash. So let's wash our chicken. I already put salt. There's a salt I use. Let me just show you guys the salt. It's the Sifto Koa salt. Okay, I like to use the salt to wash like vegetables and the rest instead of using it to cook. But sometimes I use it to cook my meat because it's Koa, so it takes a lot of time to, you know, soften. So I like to soak my meat with this salt before I begin to wash it. I'm just going to be running my hands around it because everybody's asleep and I don't have strength for my tripod this morning, so I just quickly run my hands through it and grab my camera and use my 2 hands to wash it properly. Something I noticed about chickens we buy here in Canada is that it has a lot of fats. Like when you finish cooking your chicken, no matter how small, even if you just cook 4 pieces or you just cook like a dozen, you would see a lot of oil in your chicken stock. Okay guys, I'll see you when I'm done washing. Before I forget, I already parboiled my rice, just a very soft parboil, so as to get off like most of the starch away, because once you pour cold water into the raw rice, you would see the water, it feels like they added milk to the rice. So I just gave it like a hot water rinse, just soaked it in hot water for like a few minutes and I washed it up so it's ready to be cooked. I just want to wash my chicken, prep it and cook. Okay guys, so my chicken is properly washed. I just want to transfer it here and probably just season it here because it doesn't make sense seasoning it here and moving it over. So I'm going to be using the instant pot to cook my chicken. It has like different options, so you can see. So I'm going to be setting mine to poultry when I'm ready to cook. Salt, you can remember the first salt I used to wash the chicken. This one is just the table salt and it's more refined, like it's well milled. Let me use that word, like it's very soft. So I'm just going to be dropping. Okay, so I'm going to be taking pepper. I like to put little pepper in my meat because I'm going to grill it. This is my dried grinded ginger. I'm just going to be pouring this. So this is my curry. I think I'm going to be needing my 2 hands. Okay, it's fine. Imagine my right hand couldn't open it. Okay. I have my rosemary and thyme, so I'm going to just put like 1 spoon each of this, 1 teaspoon. So guys, this is my onions. I'm just going to, so I'm going to be using the same onions to make my jollof rice. Yeah, I forgot to tell you guys I'm making jollof rice, so I'm just going to put a little more. Then I have my nut cubes, 1 of this and probably half of this. So I'm just going to pour like a little water in it just to rinse off this spatula, wooden spatula, and just cover it before I tap the poultry button and begin to cook. So guys, before I forget to mention, I'm going to be using 1 of this cup, 1 cup and half of this to pour inside. I don't think you really need so much water. Each time I try to cook it like the way I cook in Nigeria with my regular pots, the water is always too much. So I'm going to pour 1 and half of this cup into this instant pot, set it to cook. So I'm just going to wait for like 5 minutes so the ingredients can marinate into the chicken, and I'll tap this poultry button here. So I'm just going to tap this button here, and it is set for 10 minutes. High pressure, and this button is on because it's going to keep warm while before it finally goes off. So it's come on, and in a few minutes it's going to start, you know, counting down. While my meat is still cooking, so it's already done for the 10 minutes, and it's just trying to what would I use? What word would I use? Maybe try to reduce the pressure. So it's on 12 minutes now and reducing the pressure. So while I wait for that, I'm going to start cooking, getting my stew ready for the jollof rice. So I'm going to be using this oil. It's olive pomace oil with extra virgin olive oil, and this is going to be my tomato for the day. So he said petite cut stewed tomato. This one has the garlic and olive oil in it, so I'm going to be using the 2. I'm just going to be frying it with little oil and my onions. Yay! I'm just going to turn on the stove to 8. You can see it's already heating up. And I'm going to pour just a little oil. Why I don't want to pour so much is because remember I mentioned that chicken here has plenty oil, and I'm not sure I'm going to allow it coagulate, so that I could just take off the oil from the chicken and just throw into the trash. So I'm going to be using little oil here and tomato. My chicken is ready. Can you guys see the amount of oil in this chicken? Can you guys see it? So I'm just going to take this off and put it in a pan to put in the oven so that I can start to broil it. Just a very soft broil. Then with soya spice sprinkled on it.
So guys, I forgot to show you when I put in the rice and what other things I had put. So it was just the regular. I put curry, salt, no cubes, um, rosemary, thyme, and I poured my chicken stock inside before pouring the rice or putting the rice inside the pot to cook. So I'm going to be putting these onions very soon. The rice is almost cooked, so I'm just trying to steam it. I had to reduce the heat. So I'm just putting my onions now, and I'm going to just gently spread this and cover the pot so that I can continue steaming.
Okay guys, so I'm done cooking. I'm tired. So I just want to quickly go take a shower. I'm supposed to make salad, but the salad is already prepared. Like, we bought the already prepared salad. It's in a sachet or bag or a pack somehow. So I wanted to just pour it in a bowl and just mix it with mayonnaise, but I wasn't sure anybody was ready to eat. So let me not just go and mix it and to be there. I'm going to eat, but I'm going to have my bath before eating. So guys, I just had my bath and I've lost appetite. So I don't know if this happens to you, like when you're done cooking, all of a sudden you just lose appetite to eat that food. I don't know, I just want to sleep, coil up and sleep. Whether it's cold, it's not snowing, but I just want to sleep, really. Just coil up and sleep. It's not like I was up too early. I slept late. I slept early last night. I think I went to bed at about 8 and I was up by 1. Then I slept off again by 4. Then I woke up by 6 or thereabouts. I don't know, maybe because I'm not with my family, I don't know why, but it's very sad. So guys, going downstairs, everybody wants to eat, so I'm just going to probably just eat something, make it not be like say I cook, I don't want chop, or maybe I poison the food you get. So I'm just going to join everybody else downstairs and we're going to have Christmas lunch, brunch, whatever. I think it's noon already, but I'm not sure. I have to check the time. Okay, it's past, it's like 12:30 something, so let's go downstairs. So guys, this is my meal. I have my Nigerian jollof rice and salad and 2 pieces of chicken. I'm actually eating with my husband. So guys, we are done eating and I'm so full. So this is the bowl I used for the salad. So guys, I know you guys will not be able to see me, and no, NEPA did not take the light. I just had my second round of rice and jollof. I forgot to show you guys what the salad looks like, but probably in another video, so I'll just end this vlog here. I really didn't do much. I slept, then I watched Living in Bondage, the very first Living in Bondage. I saw it on YouTube, and guys, it was 5 hours plus. Part 1 and 2, like, really. Even if it's an Indian film. Anyways, so like I said, I'll just end this vlog here. I think we're having guests much later in the evening, probably like in an hour or something, but I don't think I'm really up for meeting people. I just want to sleep. So
I'll see you all in my next vlog. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas today, and if you didn't, can you share why in the comment section below? I'll see you all in my next video. Love and light. Bye guys.